So what are you doing here?
I've been called out for the ice challenge by somebody I know, Miss Charlotte, and I said yes, I will be in, and here I am. So I got an announcement to make once I'm done.
Alrighty.
Jesus. All right.
Right before they did it.
Alrighty, now I'm gonna get this side. This side. There, y'all on the way back.
Wow, I got a cigarette and a show.
All right.
Yeah.
Turn around and face this way.
Okay. And where do
Who would you like to challenge?
I would like to challenge Julio.
Thanks.
And he has 24 hours to do it, just like I did. Okay?
All right.
Is that the only person?
Oh, one more. Colin.
Oh. You get one more.
One more?
You can tell he really wants to do me, but unfortunately, I'm already challenged.
You already challenged? I think I would challenge Larry Rivers.
Oh.
Oh, right. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yes.
Oh.
Feel good? Feel good. I feel good. I needed that cool off.